Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a big Amazon fashion haul, things that I love, that I am a repeat buyer in. Now, not everything is technically fashion or style. I mean, I could kind of make a tangent case for each of them, but they're things that I love. Now, per usual, I have linked everything down below that I am sharing. And to note, this is not sponsored. I just care so deeply about each of these things that I wanted to share them with you. All right, let's get into it. Let's first start with something that I am wearing, this chunky knit turtleneck sweater. So this is from Amazon's fashion line, which they have done so well with lately, creating really good current pieces at a really great price. This is $34.95, so it's not gonna break the bank, but I love the texture to it, how chunky it is. It is really soft, not itchy or scratchy at all. Now, I am not what you would call a turtleneck kind of gal. I don't usually love chunky turtlenecks, but I think with the last year that we have had, I just want comfort. Right now I'm wearing it with jeans. You could wear it with sweats. You could wear it with nicer boots or casual sneakers. It's a really versatile option. Also, I am wearing a medium in the beige. I just feel like this is a really classy, versatile color to work with. The next item is something that I love, that I'm a huge advocate for, and that is my CONAIR fabric defuzzer or shaver. It's got a couple different names, but you guys, if you're not familiar with this is like a miracle worker. So you know how you may get a new sweater and wear it a couple times, and then you're gonna notice this balling up of the fabrics. It's often where there's friction, so in between your arms or in between your legs in leggings. It could even be on your couch cushions, but you're gonna find those little balls of fabric. This completely eliminates them. So you just take your sweater or whatever it is, turn this baby on, and just rub it all around. Do you hear that? Oh, it is like the most satisfying sound ever. I use this almost every day on my headboards, on my cushions, on my leggings, on my sweaters, on my jackets, on everything. It's like $12.99 on Amazon. It comes in a couple power options. So it comes with a cord, or you can get the battery option, which I prefer. I don't like being stuck to a wall outlet. And then a couple different colors as well. If you don't have one of these, it is a small price to pay to change your life. So get on it. This next item is something that I found around Christmas time, and it's ridiculous how much just joy and happiness it's brought me. And it is this little wristlet keychain. It comes in this plasticky, soft material. It's a little stretchy, but it's cute. And it's like $8.99. The main reason I got this is because I could not keep track of my keys. This is big enough where you can wear it. If you throw it in your bag, you're gonna see it. And then when I'm driving, I actually pop it right on to that little blinker thing, you know, that thing you pull. I just put it right onto there. So then my keys are always visible and easy, and they're not going anywhere. It's also been a really good go-to gift to send to someone. It's under $10 and comes in a number of different colors, so you can kind of personalize to someone's personality. Anyways, it's been really fun to have, and for such a small, affordable price tag, I just had to share it. This next item is something that I saw on a friend a couple months ago and had to know where she got them from, and then was pleasantly surprised and equally shocked with how affordable they were and that they came in like a whole pack. And it's a little silly, but they are socks. We wear them every day. We want them to be comfortable, especially in the winter time. And this pack is $15, and it comes with 5 different socks, like some brighter colors, some more neutral colors, but they have brought me so much joy. They have also been another really great thing that I've been able to give to people, whether I ship a whole pack to someone, or for Christmas, I actually broke them up individually and put them into stockings for sisters-in-law and sister and mom. And they're just really cute, and people have really loved them, including myself. If you go on my Instagram, nearly every single selfie I take, I'm wearing these puppies. I just love them. So for $15, go get yourself some new socks. This next item is something that is a little bit more expensive. It may break the bank just a little bit. I'm embarrassed to say what it is, but It's clothing detergent, you guys. Something that you use every single day, and it is by this company called Tyler, and this is called Glamorous Wash Diva. Diva, remember that, that's like the name of it. So I am from Texas, and Tyler is, I think, originally a candle company, and they were in all the cute little shops and gift shops in Dallas, but they also make detergent that smells so good. I have had neighbors text me being like, I am so embarrassed to say I was like close enough to your child, but they smell so good. What did you spritz on them before you sent them out the door? It is my detergent. Now, this is just a little one because it's cute and I wanted to have this to show you. I get them by the gallon. The packaging came off, that's why I got the little cute one. And the gallon isn't cheap. I mean, this is like $70 for this detergent, but here's the thing, I am not using just this detergent for my clothes. I mix it with like that all fragrance-free detergent, so you get the washing benefits of that detergent, and then you get the fragrance from this one. And I actually put them in these cute little glass jars, also from Amazon, so I keep my all in here and my Diva in here, and I will do like 2/3 of the all solution and then mix in 1/3 of the Diva. And it's another little thing that is more expensive than it should be, but it brings me so much joy, and the fact that I'm sending my kids out into the world smelling good, it makes me happy. Now, you don't have to buy this $70 gallon right off the bat. You could also try this little one. It's $25, and all you need is this. Ready? That's about how much I do. I know that's not like super measurable, but I put in my all for majority of it, and then just a and then we're good. So this would last you a while, and you would be able to tell if you like it or not. If you are looking for a change in your detergents, this is a good one to try. I only have 2 more items left, and I am gonna share some CRZ joggers. If you know, you know. They're incredible. They're like a Lululemon dupe for their jogger pants. I have them in black. So they have a thick waistband, a drawstring, and then at the bottom, they also have that banded tight bottom. And they are just so comfortable. They've got pockets in the front, pockets in the back. I am 5'9", and they go down to my ankles, and they just fit me so beautifully. I also recently got this mauve color. I've wanted these forever. They run true to size. These are both mediums. They're fantastic. They're like $25. CRZ has become really popular on Amazon because of these pants. They have since come out with entire lines of workout tops and jackets and biker shorts, and they even have other joggers that don't have the band at the bottom. So there's lots of options. I will link these specific ones down below just because they're my favorite. I've tried a couple other ones, but I keep coming back to these specific joggers, but they're good, and they're $25, so they are not gonna break the bank like some more expensive loungewear, leisurewear lines, which I'm always a fan of. And then the last item that I had to share with you, something that has changed me. Maybe not for the better, but I think it is, are silk pillowcases. Now, people can spend a lot of money on a silk pillowcase because it's silk, and silk is expensive. You will look at some brands where a pillowcase is gonna run you $100. Well, Amazon has a ton of options. They are 100% mulberry silk. They have zip ties. They fit standard queen and king size pillowcases, and they all run like $25. So this one that I have currently on my pillow is by LEAFBAY, which I bought another one just so you can see the packaging. I got the ivory, but they also have a white, they have pink, they have, I mean, they honestly have a lot of other colors. I like the ivories. So here we have it. One thing that I love specifically about LEAFBAY is they have this hidden zipper. So there's not a fold over flap, it's gonna actually be zipped in, and it just looks really nice. Now, here is why I prefer and have to use a silk pillowcase. First, once you go silk, you never go back. Like anytime I put my head on a cotton pillowcase, I just feel the scratchy itchiness. So first, it's just a feel, it feels nice. But here's the difference between satin and silk, because you can also find satin and they're gonna be about the same price. But here's why you want silk. First is that it's gonna help with acne. It is just so much better for your skin sleeping on this than on a cotton pillowcase. You still have to switch it out a lot, But once I started using these, my acne diminished so much. I don't have those breakouts like I used to have when I had a cotton pillowcase. And then the second reason is for your hair. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase is gonna cut down on the friction and the static that you can get from sleeping on the cotton pillowcase. It is like such a luxurious item that's only $20, $25, depending on the size that you get. And it's made me really happy. So I keep a couple of these in stock so I can switch them out when it's time to rotate my pillowcases. But I just love them. All right, you guys, those are my favorite Amazon purchases, the items that I just keep rebuying, that I can't live without. So I hope that they bring you some joy as well. As always, I have linked everything down below, and stick around for my next video. Bye, y'all.